we're gonna do a few circuits, so fatigue will build. And again, like I've been telling people, if you're just now joining us, you can use a bag, weight it up with anything. I want you to feel challenged. Right now, I'm gonna use a 15-pound dumbbell, and I'm just gonna squat, okay? So 15 times, let's go. 1, 2, 3, good for you. 4, this is too intense, you can just use your body weight, you don't have to use any weight at all. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I see a laundry basket, that's awesome, load that thing up. You don't need to do your laundry anymore. That's what your trainer said. And one more. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do push-ups now. So we're gonna do 10 to 12. Find an elevation. It could be a countertop, it could be a wall, but somewhere where you can do 10 to 12 push-ups. Use a little elevation here like me. So let's make that form really good. 1, 2. Oh, I'm gonna have to go from the floor. 3, she shot off. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, good job. Shake it out. Grab some water if you need to. You want your water?
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it over there.
Okay, yeah, keep it over there, it's fine. All right, we are going to go to a single arm row. Here's a tip for you. I got a cooler. You can load this thing up, okay? And again, if you're just now joining us, we have the backpack idea. I'm gonna use a dumbbell. So get ready. Let's get your weight right now. And we're gonna row. So we're gonna bend over with a nice flat back, one arm only, for 15 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, working that back, 13, 14, 15. All right, switch. Here we go. Nice flat back when you lean over. 1, 2, I don't want to see any rounding like this. Not good. Flat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, good, and 15. All right, set it down safely. Good job, ladies. Whew. And gentlemen. I'm used to teaching ladies, so forgive me if I do that, but I know you're here. Glute bridge, we're gonna do 12 of them. So there's lots of different variations. The easiest glute bridge is gonna be on the floor with your feet on the floor, okay? However, you are more than welcome to get a step right in front of you and put your feet on that, and also do a glute bridge from there, like this. We're gonna do 12. Let's go. 1. While you're doing this, I'm gonna show you 3. Another variation.